You get to enjoy an overnight stay, tranquility of the mountains, and fun beach day when you book the ultimate canyon experience. Hihin ko kayo dito sa Canyon Woods Tagaytay at ituturo ko sa inyo paano makakuha ng libreng day pass to Canyon Cove for 3 packs for a bargain price of 3,499 pesos or less. Reveal ko ang hack sa dulo. Before that, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung room. Ito yung superior hotel room na may 2 beds, at may closet, may modern shower, at may balcony. At ang room view ha, pack na pack. Napakalaki rin ng Canyon Woods kaya nag-tour na rin kami dito sa golf area. Super nag-enjoy kami kahit hindi kami marunong. Kasama na yan ha. May chapel na rin kung saan pwede magpakasal at magmisa. May man-made lake, pavilion resident ducks at playground. Meron ring sports complex kung saan pwede mag-basketball, badminton at pickleball. Sa clubhouse naman ang main dining na napakaganda ng view. Pwedeng-pwede ka magkape, may mga function room, spa, and salon. Kung swimming naman ang bet mo, may indoor pool na, may jacuzzi pa, at 2 outdoor pools. Hindi ka rin mauubusan ng fun dito sa Fun Zone. You can play billiards, table tennis, air hockey, Xbox, playland, giant chess, and soccer billiards. Kasama na rin sa booking na ito ang grilled plated dinner na available lang every Saturday bookings. All-in na ito kapag nag-book ka sa Klook for 3,499 pesos. Gamitan mo pa ng code na JECA5 off para may 5% discount ka sa booking mo. Kung iisipin mo talaga, super sulit kasi